So 2 years ago, I made this Shotski. And to be honest, I like how it came out. It got the job done. But just like anything else, there's always room for improvement. So join me in the dad cave as I show you how to make a better Shotski. So there's 3 areas that I want to improve on in the Shotski. First starts with the glasses. I use glass shot glasses. Instead, I have reusable red Solo Cup shot glasses. We're going to use those for the Shotski. Second, I wanted to find a better way to secure the glasses to the Shotski. As you can see, they just slide down there in the hole. So to fix that, what are we going to do? We're going to use magnets. Magnet on the Shotski, magnet on the shot glass, and then boom, there they are. They're not going anywhere. Now the next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to raise this Shotski up off of the surface. As you can see, it just lays there flat. To raise that up, we're going to use these clear furniture bumpers. That'll give us a little bit of clearance so you can be able to put your hands underneath there, get a good grip right before you're ready to throw the Shotski down. Details of how I made my Shotski are on my original Shotski video. Basically, it's a 1x3x6 with 4 holes equally spaced for the shot glasses and a 1/4 inch round over on all the edges. I'm using Gorilla Glue epoxy to secure the magnets to the Shotski and the shot glasses. I pre-drilled the holes for the furniture bumpers so I didn't split the wood. Alright, so this Shotski is done, and the finish on this thing makes it the perfect wooden backyard game for your summer cookouts this year. And check this out, those shot glasses, they're not going anywhere. And if you're looking for inspiration for other DIY wooden backyard games, check out the playlist right here of the other creators that were a part of this collaboration. I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm gonna go find somebody to do a shot with.